Hey everybody, Renee here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to talk to you about two common diagnostic trouble codes, or DTCs. Today the codes I'll be talking about are P0172 and P0175. If you haven't stopped by a store for a free O'Reilly VeriScan diagnostic test, it's a simple way to get a full readout and recommendations that could help with diagnosis and repair. Technically speaking, OBD2 fault code P0172 means fuel trim system is too rich in bank 1. Code P0175 indicates the same issue, but for your bank 2 air-to-fuel ratio. Bank 1 and Bank 2 are just names indicating the banks of cylinders and corresponding components on either side of a V-type engine, with Bank 1 being the side that contains cylinder 1, and Bank 2 indicating the opposite side. In 4-cylinder or straight 6 engines, there will not be a Bank 2, since there are not two sides to the engine itself. In practical terms, when you see P0172 or P0175, it means the engine powertrain control module in your vehicle is receiving information that indicates your engine's air-to-fuel mixture contains too much fuel and not enough air. Overfueling, or too much fuel in the mixture, is referred to as the engine running rich. These two codes will often also appear along with P0170 and P0173, which indicate fuel trim malfunctions in Bank 1 or Bank 2. Codes P0172 and P0175 can be a result of issues with your control module or software, your MAF or mass airflow sensor, MAP or manifold absolute pressure sensor, internal engine problems, a failing or damaged oxygen sensor or fuel pressure regulator, a malfunctioning coolant or air temperature sensor, throttle position sensor, fuel return line or fuel injector, a thermostat that's stuck open, or an ignition misfire. Aside from a check engine light, you may also notice a lack of power on acceleration, coughing, misfires, or rough idle. Whether you notice any symptoms or not, it is not recommended that you drive a vehicle with these codes until the problem is diagnosed. Your vehicle may still run, but driving has the potential to make the problem worse or cause damage to other systems. Since the cause and most likely fix for these codes can vary from one vehicle to the next, we recommend starting with an O'Reilly VeriScan report. We also have additional resources on our How-To Hub to help you diagnose some of these common symptoms. If you're not sure where to start on this repair, we'd be happy to recommend a professional shop in your area to help you determine which of the possible issues have caused the code or codes and what your course of action should be. If the necessary repair is one you think you can do yourself, we can get you the parts and supplies you need to get it done right. We hope this video has been helpful, but if you still have questions, we'd love for you to stop by a store, O'ReillyAuto.com, or contact us on social media. We'll see you again soon.